Hi everyone, I'm doing the Upper Nihotupu walk today. I tried to look on Chat GPT and to get some information about this walk, but it doesn't give me anything. It's a fresh morning, bit cool, a bit cloudy out there. Might rain later on, but just let's wait and see. Apparently we're walking to a dam, so might get some good shots there. I don't know if you can hear the cicadas, quite noisy out here. Normally the cicadas sit high up in the trees. I'll see if I can see one down at the bottom. Looks like I'm the only one on this trail today. There was no other cars. So I have the trail all to myself. Cicadas. Yeah, high up in the trees. Oh, here's a toilet. That's good. Oh, there's somebody working. Somebody working over there. It says here, Upper Nihotupu Water Supply Reservoir, Rock Falls. No swimming, no fishing. I suppose the municipality or waterworks, they utilize this road. Where is it? Morning! Is it dam down there? Ah, okay, this is the track, eh? This is the track to the dam, eh? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's water. It's a river. Just see it here. Oh yeah. And the flow is quite strong. Oh, the flow is quite strong here. Good. Lots of water flowing down here. Lovely. Oh, this is a drinking water supply area. Okay, we'll go there. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, it's a baby. Okay. Strong flow. Gee, that's amazing. That's beautiful. Okay, there's our dam. It supplies drinking water to the Auckland region. Bit of a breeze here. This must have been a landslide here. You can see. Oh, embankment came down. Oh, I love the flow of water, guys. Oh, coming from here. Coming from here. Continuous flow. I think they pump water from here. Upper Nihotupu Dam, Waterfalls Services Limited. Tupuia Road, picnic area, 5 minutes here around the corner. And this is the dam wall. Let me see. I haven't researched it, and I don't know when it was built. Oh, there's some information. Upper Nihotupu Dam was constructed between 1915 and 1923. It is a concrete gravity dam with a simple overflow type spillway. Building them was challenging with sand, cement and coal transported by barge from Onehunga across Manukau Harbour to Big Muddy Creek. Materials were then hauled a 4K up the Nihotupu Valley along a tram line and lifted by steam winch up to 640 meters long incline. Finally, they were hauled by a locomotive to the dam site. Ah, interesting. Yeah. That's how they build the dam. Construction 1923, that's the completion date. The height is 280.5 meters. Lake area 12.5 hectares. Average rainfall 2022 millimeters per year. That's quite a lot. Average daily flow 22 million liters per day. Gee! Okay, here's the dam, guys, completing the dam. There was a couple of temporary housing up here in the mountain. Interesting. See there. Food supply Auckland, yes. Interesting. Yeah, here's the dam, yes. Here's the road. I came from there, through there, and then I met up on the road to there. And there's more trails around here too. Okay, let's see. I suppose that's the end of the road there. And here's our dam. Fresh water supply dam. Okay, so let's go to the picnic area. It's only 5 minutes away. That's for those that's interested in spending the day here in the picnic area with your kids or your loved one and relax. At the moment we're on a higher elevation, so I don't know if we're going to drop down right to the bottom, but it says 5 minutes. I doubt it very much. 5 minutes to where? That's the tram line going up there. Looks like it runs into a tunnel here or not. I don't know. I can hear voices down there. We are getting to the picnic area. Guys of the municipality. Oh, they're gonna work here. Okay, there's a picnic area. Looks like you can barbecue there. There's toilet facilities. These are all closed up. Oh, they're busy there. Oh, here's the track. They closed the track. Must be a reason why they closed the track. Hi, morning. Hi. This side. Hi. Did they close the track? Is it due to landslides?
Yeah, they're just repairing one of the flips.
Oh, okay.
Big landslide
Yes.
underneath the old tram line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Your municipality here? Oh, no, you're a construction company. Okay.
I don't know. Have you been down that way?
No, how do you go that way?
In the past?
How far does it go?
Oh, I'm not too sure. Not that far.
No.
Maybe like 500 meters.
Yeah. I come from PR Road now.
Yeah.
What do I?
Go down there and then come back and back the same way.
Oh, okay.
But that's, yeah,
All right.
as far as you can go really.
Okay. Thanks for that information, eh? Enjoy the day, guys. My take on this picnic site. Well, there's at least toilet facilities, benches, you can relax there. There's water. Oh, you know, here's a dam here. There's fresh water. So it's worth the while doing the hike to here. Can bring your kids along. Babies, I suppose you can't come with you might come with a stroller with big wheels. But a nice walk, worth it. Beautiful sight. Look at the lovely sunshine. Sun is coming out. And that's what I love. And that track goes in the other guy, I reckon. Some slips there. And they're just doing some repairs over there. That's why I can't go there. Nevertheless, next time when you come here, you might be able to go there. Leaving the campsite for the picnic area. Just a heads up, that 5 minutes was 5 minutes. One more thing, guys, just don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Share it with your buddies. Let them all subscribe to my channel. I can build up to 1,000 subscribers. It depends on you. Your contribution will be all. It will be welcome. Thanks. On my way back to my vehicle, guys. I should remove this. Yeah, these little ornaments you see out of this plant here. Have a look. Yeah. Fern. Yeah, the fern starts out like that. And then these shoots out here. Oh, that's beautiful. Huh? Good morning. Let's have one more look at the waterfalls over here. That's beautiful, guys. And the pathway is going down here. See what's happening down here. I didn't see this section. I suppose you can get to the bottom from here. Oh yeah. Okay, that's beautiful. What is this? Must be the tram. Yeah. Yeah, can be. I think so. That doesn't look. One more look, guys. Don't close that water. Hey, you can't go down here. Go down here. Alright, let's go back. Good morning. I'm still trying to look for a cicada. You guys can see how it looks like. It's so high up the tree. Oh well. Can't find one. Somebody did this. That's good. Looks like an animal or type of bird. Oh guys, I found a cicada. I can show you now. That's a cicada, guys. What is it now? It looks like it's only a shell. No, he left. He left his jacket behind, sorry. Well guys, this is the end of our hike. Once more, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please tell a friend, share with your friends, and they can see the beauty of New Zealand. It is a beautiful country, man. Okay, water flowing. This lovely bridge they made here for us to cross. Otherwise we've got to wade the water. Nevertheless, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.